Thank you for joining me this evening. Did you ever wish you had a nice bouquet for an event that you were going to be attending, but it was too late to order from a florist? Did you ever attend an event like a homecoming, a graduation, a beauty contest, and notice that bouquets are given at the end? These are called presentation bouquets. We can create a presentation bouquet from flowers purchased at your local Walmart or Sam's Club. The results will be beautiful bouquet, and they will look as if they were ordered from a florist. Hi, my name is Mary Ann. I am going to teach you how to make a presentation bouquet in just a few steps. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to pick your flowers, how to arrange your flowers, how to cut your flowers, how to wrap them, and finally how to add the finishing touches. You will need the following: a store-bought bouquet, which I have here 2 bouquets that I've pre-purchased, some wire, or anything that you have that'll hold the flowers together, a scissors to cut the flowers, cellophane to wrap the flowers in, and a bow or ribbon. So when you pick your bouquet at the store, you're going to want to pick something that has some filler in it. The filler is the greenery that you have. I've already taken these apart and set aside some of the greenery. When we start this process, we're going to want to start with some items that will be our backdrop. I have some ferns here that I pulled out, so we'll start with those. Then we'll add some flowers. A bouquet that is a presentation bouquet is going to be cascaded downwards, so you will have to add your flowers in an area that you're going to want to cover your stems and cascade your flowers downward. We'll add this green one as the presentation bouquet, some purple, some yellow. We'll mix it all up here. And as you're doing it, remember to cascade down. You're going to want to cover some of your stems. And at the end of the area where we're going to tie it off, we're going to want to add some of the greenery to kind of cover things up and make it look all pretty here. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this off with a piece of wire. And don't worry about the wire showing. It's going to be covered with a ribbon. We're going to go ahead and cut the flowers so that they have even stalks. And then we're going to pull the corner up, and we're going to tuck in our other pieces so they aren't all bunched up. Got a little piece in there. And then we're going to take the corner, wrap it around the back, find the area where we have the piece of wire, slide our pre-cut ribbon, tie it off, and I'm just going to leave this ribbon open. I made this bouquet earlier in the day. We're just going to go ahead and tie this on here like this. We're going to fluff up the bouquet, or the bow here. And there you have it, a beautiful presentation bouquet. So what we've learned tonight is how to pick your flowers, make sure that you have filler when you're picking them out, how to arrange your flowers, how to wrap your flowers and add the finishing touches with a bow. I want to thank everyone for joining me and hope your next event will include a beautiful flower bouquet that you have arranged at home. Thank you.